Hello interior designers, I'm Jacqueline Green from Behind the Design, and I'm here today to talk to you about the essential steps to landing a 5-star review as an interior designer. First, it's important to take the time to get to know your clients so that you can create a design that reflects their needs and tastes. Make sure to ask plenty of questions and listen to their feedback. Second, pay close attention to the details. It's the little things that make a design or a designer stand out and can make a huge impact on the overall outcome. And finally, don't be afraid to show your creative side. Think outside the box and come up with unique ideas that will make your design truly one of a kind. Follow these 3 steps and you'll be well on your way to landing a 5-star review as an interior designer. Join me for more great tips at BehindTheDesignCo.com.